So today I am going to be unboxing this Gemini Jet United Boeing 737 MAX 8. Looks like it's in there snug. Now this is not my first one. I didn't take a video unboxing my Qantas 787-9 Dreamliner. But this is my first one on camera. There it is, really tiny. And I forgot to say this is a 1/400 scale. So finally opened it. Let's take away that plastic. Here it is. Nice. There is some damage with the landing gear, but I think we can just glue it on, maybe. Oh, great. The landing gear is broken. I think it's okay without it. Can just sit like this, kind of tilting. Maybe, but I got this. I know how you put them on, I think. But I have flown on this exact plane, but just in the old livery. So now that I fixed the landing gear issue, it is a really nice plane. So we got the regular but nice front. We got the good signage. I like how they put the winglets on. And these engines are one of the best parts. I really like them. Got the Wi-Fi box and the tail. So I just got this yesterday for my birthday, and oh yeah, and there's also nice stuff on the wing, like nice wing details. And I think this is a really good plane. It will take a few days of getting used to, but it's not as fragile as the Qantas 787, which I already showed you. But the 787 is definitely wider because it's a wide-body aircraft. This 737 is a narrow-body aircraft, so it definitely takes up less room, and it's not as long. That's also a nice part. Like a plane coming nose first at me. Ah. But it's awesome.